Hey guys, it's Morgan here. I'm talking about tectonic processes and landforms in Chile. So here's Chile right here to the left. You'll see it's the yellow strip on the southern tip of South America. It's a really small and large country, and it's by the Pacific Ocean. Let's talk about the plates that surround Chile. At the top left, you're going to see the Nazca plate, the South American plate to the right, and to the bottom left, you'll see the Antarctic plate. So these plates, they go through ocean to continent subduction, which basically what we learned in class is when the denser plate, in this case the Nazca plate, becomes subducted, which basically means it becomes heated and it melts, while the superheated gases rise to the surface through these plates. So the Nazca plate convergence with the South American plate results in volcanoes and mountain ranges such as the Andes Mountains, and also many volcanoes as well. Chile is actually included in the Ring of Fire.
The Ring of Fire!
Like Nemo. Okay, I thought that was funny. Maybe not. So basically what the Ring of Fire is a place where it's a lot of faults and places where earthquakes are very frequent. It results in a lot of volcanic eruptions along these fault lines. So you'll actually see Chile is included in the Peru-Chile Trench to the right hand of the screen. So let's talk about a lot of the earthquakes. A lot of people have heard about the 2014 earthquake, the 8.2 earthquake that hit Chile almost a week ago. And actually, a lot of people don't know this, but they already knew it was coming. As you can see on the map right here, it's very frequent along this Peru-Chile trench to have 8.0 earthquakes and above. So the last one we saw was at the bottom right-hand corner, the 2010 8.8 earthquake. And in the middle, we actually see where it hit. The center is called, I'm going to guess here, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, Iquique, Chile. And you see it right there in the middle of the screen. It was 8.2. In 2010, it was 8.8, but the 2014, 6 people were killed last week, and 1 million people have been displaced from their homes. So keep them in your prayers. For several days now, there's actually been almost an earthquake a day, around 5.0 on the Richter scale. So let's talk about some volcanoes in Chile. There's over 137 volcanoes in Chile. They're all active, but we're just going to talk about some right here. The one in the middle, Chitin, was actually what I did for my RASP, and I talked about there are some scientists that studied it and saw it, and they talked about how active it was, and that was in my RASP. Here is also some results of that oceanic to continent convergence as well. As on the right, you can see the Andes Mountains, and the gray shows how tall they are. And on the left, you have the Atacama Desert, which is a result of that as well. So that's it.